Top 5 Jamaican fruit. Number 5, mango. Some of y'all want mango higher. Some people call it galgo. Don't ask me why for that. East Indian mango, Julie mango, any type of Jamaican mango, fire. Number 4, passion fruit. Passion fruit, you can just pick, put some sugar in that, and that gone. Passion fruit is one of those slept on fruit in Jamaica. Number 3, June plum. June plum can go with salt, June plum can go with sugar, June plum just can go by itself. June plum, green, ripe, it don't matter what kind of plum, June plum. Number 4, apple. I'm telling you, Jamaican apple is the best apple in the world. And I'm gonna cheat a little bit, I'm gonna add star apple to it. Regular apple and star apple, bad. And number 1, the one and only, every summertime, no fight, ginip. Ginip is by far the best fruit in Jamaica, ginip. Brother, if you ever get a ginip with a twin ginip, you know when the two of them come with the joint twin them? Lucky. Honorable mention, shout out to Neesberry family, Neesberry bud. The old fruit them like soursop and jackfruit. Shout out to them fruit too.